Hello and welcome! My name is Marius, and in today's video we will talk about the 5 best dumbbell beginner exercises to lose weight. And at the end of the video I will let you know why those exercises are so effective and why they are better for weight loss than some other exercises. So make sure to stick around. And the best is that all you need for this workout is a set of dumbbells. Ideally a set of adjustable ones, because they will make things a lot easier when you need to change resistance throughout the workout, and that also helps as you get stronger and progress on your journey. If you already have some dumbbells, and even if it's a fixed weight, then we'll make that work as well, so don't worry about it. And let's get started. So exercise is vastly underrated when it comes to weight loss. Most fitness gurus tell you that your diet is way more important. Usually they say something like nutrition is 80% of the equation and exercise is only the other 20%. I see that a little differently. Don't get me wrong, of course, diet is important because it is way easier to consume fewer calories than it is to burn more. But that is not the point of this video. I strongly believe that exercise and diet are equally important when it comes to weight loss. Even more so when you want to sustain that weight loss. And I mean, this is the ultimate goal here, right? And the key to achieve that is resistance training. In fact, I think resistance training should be the foundation of your workout regime in general. You could spend 1 hour on the treadmill and you can burn a decent amount of calories throughout the workout, but once you stop burning calories. While with resistance training, you will burn calories way after you finish your workout. And that's why these fat burning exercises we're going to be talking about are so effective for weight loss. This way of training is also called metabolic resistance training. And it is the most efficient way to train if you want to lose fat and build muscle in the shortest possible time. Because resistance training builds muscles and the short rest period keeps your heart rate elevated during the workout. That will also boost your metabolism in the process. When you train like this, you get the best of both worlds and you save a ton of time as well. It's tough, but it's worth it. Especially for me as a father, for me it's very important that I don't have to spend hours in the gym. You know, I want to get in, get it done and get out. Or if I train at home, I want to spend 30 minutes on that workout and that's it. I want to be done with it and don't keep thinking about it the whole time. So we will take some of the best weightlifting exercises and put them together in a strength-based circuit style workout. The reason why we will be using dumbbells is that they are convenient to transition between exercises, and to be honest, I think that they are a must for anybody that wants to work out at home. So how I said, the workout is a strength-based circuit, and the best way to explain it, I guess, is if I just show it. So here we go. We have 5 exercises and we do each exercise for 10 to 12 reps. And then we go straight into the next exercise without rest. Or at least if you have to take one, you want to keep the rest to a bare minimum. We will start with a dumbbell squat. That is a perfect exercise to work your entire lower body. Keep your back straight, so don't bend forward. Back nice and straight. Imagine you sit down on a chair and back up. And back up. Alright, so once you finish your squat, you go straight into a dumbbell floor press. If you have a bench, you can use a bench. I don't have one, so I will be using the floor. Okay, from here, go down and back up. Keep your core tight at all times. You don't want to arch your back. And down and back up. Nice and controlled. And every time you come up, squeeze your chest together. Okay, so do your 10 to 12 reps and go straight into a reverse row. Okay, bend forward, knees slightly bent, back straight, and from here just row it up and row it up and control back down. Row it up and control back down. Row it up. Okay, so you do your 10 to 12 reps on the reverse row. From here we go into the overhead press. And that is one of those points where you might have to change the weight of your dumbbells. Okay, from here we go into a shoulder press. Obviously I'm using reasonably lightweight for the first 3 exercises. I could have easily done that a bit heavier, but just for demonstration purposes I'm using just 12 kilos here. So I can also shoulder press that, and I'll just show you that quickly. So, well, first I explain you what you can do. First of all, if you have adjustable dumbbells, even like this, they're quick releases, so you can just, take it out, change some plates around, whatever is nice and comfortable for you. And from there, or the other alternative, you can just grab the dumbbell like this and just press it overhead like this. Okay, so that's another alternative. Or if you have 2 dumbbells, go here, swing them up Keep your core tight, pull your belly button in, and then press up, and press up, and press up. And 12 kilos is pretty heavy, okay? So from here, the other alternative, if you don't have dumbbells, then you can adjust, or it's just simply too heavy, or whatever. So the alternative is to body weight pike push-up, and I demonstrated that quickly. So you go here in the, how the yogis say, downward dog, and from here, bring your bum up, really stick it out there, and then just go down and come back up. You're still working your shoulders, so you still work the same muscles as on the overhead press, but you don't need to change any weight. Okay, so that's an alternative. Once you finish your 10 to 12 reps with your shoulder press, you go straight into the dumbbell deadlift. And usually the deadlift should be one of the first exercises because it is a major muscle group, but I put it in the end for a reason. You're already pre-fatigued from the exercises you did so far, so the weight here doesn't have to be as heavy. But obviously if you have adjustable ones, then you can just really load them up for the last exercise. And the good thing is, how I said, with a quick release, it's really fast, so you're not going to waste too much time between exercises. So from here, I put them just on top of my feet. Keep them nice and close to your body. From here, bend down, back straight, just sit slightly down. It's not a squat, it's a deadlift, okay? So from here, knees to stay slightly bent, and then come up, and I bring them outside. Really squeeze your hip forward, squeeze your glutes, push your hip forward, and back down. And back up. Keep your back straight through the entire move, and back up. Obviously, if you're barefoot like me, make sure not to drop the weight on your feet. So do your 10 to 12 reps, and then you can rest for 2 to 3 minutes and repeat the whole cycle again. Ideally, you want to do 4 to 5 rounds, but if all you can do at the beginning is 1 round, then that is perfectly fine too. Try to increase and get better every time you do the workout. Ultimately, it's about progressive overload. So you can do that either by doing more rounds, completing the workout faster, or increasing the weight. But don't trade form for speed. Proper form is still the key to get the most out of those workouts and to avoid injury, of course. And that is what we want to achieve here, right? Being nice, fit, healthy, and stay young. So the whole workout should take you somewhere from 25 minutes to 45 minutes max. Ideally, you want to do this workout 2 to 3 times per week. Try to give your body a day or two rest in between. On those days, you could focus more on cardio, for example. Just go for a run or do a quick HIIT workout. That would round up a great balanced workout plan, and that helps you to lose fat and build muscle at the same time. But remember, you cannot outtrain your fork. Exercise and diet are equally important when it comes to weight loss. So work on your nutrition as well. Okay, so here's why those exercises are so great for weight loss. You might have noticed that every exercise we chose is a compound exercise, which means that they work multiple joints and muscle groups. And that's for good reason, because muscles require energy to work, and energy equals calories. So as more muscles we incorporate into the workout, as more calories we can burn. If you would do a bicep curl, for example, your biceps is the only muscle that needs repairing. But if you do a squat, on the other hand, your quads, your hamstrings, your back, your core, and if you hold dumbbells, even your arm muscles need repairing. Your body obviously would need way more energy to recover from an exercise like that. So you can see that it makes sense to focus on full body movements. Also, important when doing a workout like this is that you don't work on the same muscle back to back. You shouldn't do a floor press and a shoulder press right after each other, or push up followed by a bench press. Those exercises work the same muscle groups and you wouldn't be able to put in the same effort. Alright, so I hope you liked the video and that you got some value out of it. If you did, then please press that like button. Look, being fit doesn't have to be complicated, so if you want to learn more about how to lose weight, build muscle and get fit permanently, then make sure to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're not going to miss anything. So click the video on the screen now, it will help you to get you to your results faster. Do that now and I see you in the next video. Ciao!